with our now with our holders, brush holders in place, what I done was I had just found an old welding rod that I had in the garage, and I cut it off pins, and I pushed the brushes back and put each one of the brushes in there, and then all you have to do is stick it in there, pull out your pins. Now your brushes and commutators all in place. Okay, reverse assembly is all required now. Now your greased plate. Now remember what I told you about that wanting to not go down? That's normal. Okay, now we had a offset like this for our starter. And let me see, yeah. I always like to get one started, and then I always like to grease these bolts too, because you can't never ever tell. You may just at some point want to take this thing apart again. And it is not impossible to get complete rebuild kits for these. I haven't been able to find them in a couple of years. I've been out of the business for a while, but my son has obviously requisitioned me to rebuild a couple starters for him, and thought you people would like to see it too. We actually need more people doing this kind of work. Alright, now what I would like to do is I would like to run this. Before I go any further.
And what you do is you disconnect the ground to the body, which is good up there at the motor plate, and then you connect the positive to the starter bolt, and then you apply power.
Good. Excellent.
You hear how quiet that runs? Got plenty of torque to it, plenty of power.
Yeah, twist right in your hand when you turn it on. That's a fitting starter. Now that we've run it, we will go ahead and snug it up. Replace the Bendix. What did I do with my little ring?
It's always good to not misplace the parts. A metal pan or a magnetic pan always helps.
Yeah, but like I said, I've been out of this for a while, so.
And the tricky part is getting a little snap ring back on there.
Usually I've got a socket that fits over top of that shaft, and I just shove it back on like that. Okay? Then use a screwdriver to finish it. And voila, finished product. Remanufactured starter.
All serviced and ready to go.